Financial Sector Conduct Authority is educating South Africans on the risks of crypto trading. I'm sure we've all got that friend at the braai, that friend on a Friday night who tells you that they're involved in crypto and how well they're doing. Well, let's find out just how legitimate this actually is, and if it is legit and you want to get into it, how should you go about doing it? Keith Sabilika, beg your pardon, from the authority joining us this morning. Keith, hello to you and appreciate the time. Apart from getting your first name wrong, I'll do much better going forward. Cryptocurrency in SA, I mean, just how big is this? You hear this being whispered in dark corners of online trading, but how big is it in South Africa really? Morning.
Morning, Gareth. Thank you so much for having me on the show. In South Africa, crypto assets, it's quite big, and I think, given how big it has actually drawn our attention as regulators to do some work on that. From the study that we recently, released on Thursday, the figures that we got were around 520 million rands being traded monthly. That's the average trade, and 8 billion being the highest monthly traded in November. Might sound to be small given what's traded in the markets, but looking at who's involved in that space, mostly retail consumers, that's quite a big chunk of money that's going around there. So the sector is quite big, and there's need for us as well to to pay too much attention to it and to observe what's happening in that space.